Alright, so uh, this is an Arch Linux live media, and I'm using it because I want to root to a system that I cannot connect to the internet using the cable nor using the USB tethering. So I'm gonna do root and connect this live ISO to the internet or this live media and install the needed stuff to my system in order to be able to connect it later to the internet. There is no network manager. It's a minimal installation of openSUSE Leap, and I tried. There is also no DHCP client, so I have to install network manager, start its service. I have to install DHCP CD, start its service as well, but I guess I don't need DHCP CD since network manager itself has a DHCP not server but client. It has a DHCP client, so I'm gonna install it. So in my case, the root partition is /dev//sda3, so I mounted it at MNT, and then I rooted standby. So zipper is not a command that you will find in Arch Linux, including the live ISO, and it's a package manager front end, I guess, or a package manager if we can say, for openSUSE. When I run this command, you can see the output. So I have to pause the video because I'm gonna use this phone as a device for USB tethering. Afterwards, I'll show you what I have done. Alright, so I installed it successfully. Network manager. You need to be careful of the spelling. There is two uppercase letters which are network N. It's N is big, and then for manager it's M is uppercase. I enabled the service and I tried to install the DHCP CD, which contains the DHCP client, but it doesn't exist. So it's okay, never mind. Just in case, I just thought of installing it in case I needed it. So let's exit this, and then let's try to reboot the system and check if we can connect to the internet that way. Let's see. Alright, so I was able to solve the issue of not connecting the computer to the network, and now I'm gonna SSH into it. However, there is still a small issue with it, which is the DNS issue. In that case, we have to we will use the network manager DNS configuration, since we don't have here systemd resolved or resolved systemd resolve doesn't exist here. Even if we try, let's try to check it, it will say that it does not exist. And the problem of DNS will prevent us from doing almost anything, including updating the system and so on, because it will not be able to resolve the address of the repositories and everything. So in such case, let me show you. Yeah, it could not be found. In such case, let's use IPA first. We're using the third one, as I guess. So let's go to an TUI third, and then DNS servers odd. In this case, you can try. Let's get Cloudflares, and then let's hope this one is correct. Okay. Okay, so here we need to run it as root. So sudo third one, as I guess. Let's hope it's the one. Show DNS servers. Let's use Cloudflare's. And then scroll down. OK. Back. Quit. Let's ping into a specific domain. Still not working yet. Oh yeah, I guess we need to use to edit this one because the names are different. That's why we got confused between them. So we save this one. Back. Quit. Still the same. Let's restart the service. Name server, name server, second one, exit after saving. Sometimes resolve.conf yourself, or in most cases you cannot edit it or change anything in it. You should use other stuff, like in the previous video. In a previous video I made about the DNS configuration on Linux running systemd. You cannot do anything directly to resolve.conf/etc/resolve.conf. Let's run this. Right, let's check to what it is exactly hooked. It's not. Let's run systemd. It's not done like that here. So sometimes also our router does not accept to have any third or any other DNS server aside of it. So I will try with my router. It may work. DNS. It's not there. Let's restart it. Not there. Also it says that we need to configure this file. This one. Try now. Still the same. Net config. DNS bind. Okay, so DNS servers, this. Let's try with my own servers or my own routers. DNS server. It has a DNS server definitely. It's working. So like this, I was able first to set up network manager by Chrooting, because I was not able to do the USB tethering to it. I wasn't also able to connect it through the wireless connection. I wasn't able to connect it to the network using the I wasn't able to connect it to the internet using the cable, which was RG45 plain cable, and I had to install a network manager. Wasn't installed, so I found only the option to chroot, and then I did all these configurations in order to configure the DNS. And for the DNS to work on openSUSE, you have to change this file, and the variable is, or the thing to change in it is this one right here. Scroll down, yes, this one, netconfig underscore DNS underscore static underscore servers, all of it uppercase, and here it is. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let's update the system. I won't let you see all of this because it takes some time for sure. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching. See you.